Hey, I just wanted to tune in because I wanted to say something about my day today. The only reason why I'm inside recording the video instead of outside is because it's raining and it's real cold outside. See? Oh shit! I dropped the phone. Okay, so you can see it's raining outside. So I would like to do this vlog outside and show you the car. Maybe I can like show you. No, it's raining too hard. I can probably focus the phone out the window or something where you can see. I was able to trade my BMW for my non-running BMW for a running Toyota Avalon. Okay? As people say on the internet, that is epic. I just want to thank God because I've just been just basking in the love of God for letting this happen to me. And I'm going to do a more in-depth video about it later because I have a ride set up to come pick me up for a meeting I have to go to. And I had this ride set up a few days ago, so I'm going to just go ahead and keep it. But I have my car. Let me show you the car. It's out here. So you see I'm not lying. Okay, here it is. That's the Toyota Avalon outside in my driveway. You can see it. I hope you can see that pretty good. It's raining and windy outside. The temperature's dropping real fast. So when I get back home for my meeting, I will talk about oh, that wind is whipping. Wow. If you ever thought it doesn't get cold in Texas, you were wrong. They lied to you, okay? They lied to you. All right. It gets cold. We don't wear cowboy boots for nothing down here. Okay, so I'll be back. I'll be back to talk to you more about my enchanted life. Okay, bye.